Hello guys, I want to show you how to find the hidden voices in SX600. Like when you are in guitar voice, you press guitar, then you scroll to the end. After that, when you want to find some hidden voices, so you just press this arrow. I want to show you clearly. There is an arrow here, so you press 8, then it show you some written information. You scroll to the legacy here, down to the legacy, then you press enter. Are we together? So when you press there, you come to the legacy. It's there down. You press enter, then show you the same written information like this on keyboard, piano and piano. So if you want to find guitar, now you scroll to the guitar. There is in guitar and in guitar, then you press, then you see some other voices. You go back, you come to this in guitar again, you press enter, then you find some other voices, other good voices. You see like that. So let's go back again and repeat. You are let's say you are you want to find a brass or like grand piano. Like when you come here to in E piano, you can't find grand piano, so you press, you see the first voice is concert. You scroll, you can't find a grand piano, so you press this arrow here, you press number 8.